So today it's the 6th of July 2023. We have Puntaritie 5, stakes A, and it's connected to stakes B. We can go there soon.
Yeah.
It's in Matinkylä, Espoo, as well as Espoo region, also in Finland. Unfortunately, they're going to badly modernize or replace these two elevators soon in the autumn or winter of 2023.
Yeah.
But this was built in 2003. It turned 20 years old this year, 2023. Also wishing us March. Yeah. It's a logo by Door Island. The serial number is 1700A. The 6. This is interesting serial number here.
Yeah.
Best these A persons or system diagrams. Once that's up, here it's gonna be expecting the next year, 2024. Not 9, not 8, but
7, I think.
yes. There's no zero here, no basement floor. So it's the first floor is the lowest one.
Yeah. No minus ones.
No, it doesn't have.
Yeah. Spektiit paikki vain, mutta meitä nyt paikka on nyt tätsit.